When I was teaching academic writing at the university, one area that my students had the most difficulty with was about how to write good English sentences. I decided to develop a plan to help students write better sentences by starting with the basics. I first discussed how to write a simple sentence in English. Then I moved on to more difficult, compound, and complex sentences. I'm going to show you the same techniques in this video. So, let's talk about how to write better English sentences. Writing English sentences can be difficult, but knowing how to write them is going to help. Let's first talk about what a simple sentence is. Here we have a simple sentence. The new product is expensive. Now you can see that there's an S over the words, the new product. S stands for subject. The subject of this sentence is the new product. There's a V over the word is. V stands for verb. The verb in the sentence is the word is. There's also an O above the word expensive. O stands for the object. The object of this sentence is the word expensive. Now, most simple sentences in English have this pattern, S, V, O. Not all simple sentences need to be short. You can have a longer simple sentence. But we will use this simple sentence to help us learn how to write more difficult sentence patterns. Now let's take this simple sentence and change it into a compound sentence. We'll take our sentence, the new product is expensive, and then add a comma. We can then add the word and follow it with another SVO simple sentence. Now we could also add the word but, followed by SVO. Or we could also use the word so, and also follow with a SVO, the simple sentence. All right, so let's take our simple sentence now and try making it into a compound sentence. We could write something like this. The new product is expensive and not many people can afford to buy it. Or we could say the new product is expensive, but advertising will help to increase sales. And here's an example with the word so. The new product is expensive, so it will need good marketing techniques. This is how we can change our simple sentence into a compound sentence by adding another simple sentence after words such as and, but, so. All right, now I'm going to show you how you can make a higher level compound sentence. Again, let's take our simple sentence, the new product is expensive. With the sentence that we wrote using the word and, we can change the sentence in this way. Our original sentence was, the new product is expensive and not many people can afford to buy it. Now we can take out the comma and the word and put a semicolon in its place, like this. This is a higher level style of compound sentence. The new product is expensive, semicolon, not many people can afford to buy it. Let's try it with the sentence that we used the word but. Now in some cases you might want to add another word into your sentence. So here's our original sentence. Again, we take the comma and the word but out of the sentence and replace it with a semicolon. Often in this type of sentence you can use the word however to replace the word but and make a higher level sentence. So the new sentence looks like this. The new product is expensive, semicolon. However, comma, advertising will help to increase sales. Now please notice that you need to add a comma after the word however. All right, let's see how we can change our third sentence. Again, take the comma and the word so out of the sentence and replace it with a semicolon. This time we're going to add the word therefore. And here's the new sentence. The new product is expensive, semicolon, therefore, comma, it will need good marketing techniques. So, as you can see, by making a small change in your compound sentence, you can make a higher level compound sentence. Now let's talk about another kind of sentence, the complex sentence. Here are two short, simple sentences. The new product is expensive, and not many people can afford to buy it. Now we're going to combine these two sentences to make a complex sentence by adding the word because. Not many people can afford to buy it because the new product is expensive. We could also say it this way. Because the new product is expensive, comma, not many people can afford to buy it. Now, many students know how to write the first type of complex sentence, but this second type is also a good way to write the same sentence. All right, let's combine these two simple sentences into a complex sentence. Although the new product is expensive, comma, advertising will help increase sales. Now here we've used the word although to change the two sentences into a complex sentence. And now let's try combining these two sentences. Using the word since. Since the new product is expensive, it will need good marketing techniques. Now, as you can see, by using the words such as because, although, since, we can change the compound sentences into complex sentences. Now let's look at another higher level sentence pattern. Here are three short sentences. The new product is expensive. Not many people can afford to buy it. Advertising will help to increase the sales. Now let's try to combine these three sentences into one compound complex sentence pattern. Because the new product is expensive, not many people can afford to buy it. However, advertising will help to increase the sales. Now, as you can see, we can take these three simple sentences and make them into a very good compound complex sentence pattern. Now, these types of sentences show that you understand how to write good English sentences. Here's another example combining a different set of sentences. Because the new product is expensive, not many people can afford to buy it. Therefore, it will need good marketing techniques. So as you can see, by putting the different sections together correctly, you can write very good English sentences. All right, let's look at another way to write complex sentences. Here are four simple sentences. We could write something like this. The new product, which is expensive, will need good marketing techniques to help increase the sales. Here we've used the word which to add extra information about the subject, the new product. And here's another way to combine all of the information into one sentence. Not many people can afford to buy the new product as it is expensive. Therefore, it will need good marketing techniques. Now here we've used the word as to give more information. At the beginning of this video, we had this sentence. Writing English sentences can be difficult, but knowing how to write them will help. So as you can see, learning how to put English sentences together can help you to write very good and high-level sentences. Try writing a few simple sentences and then change them into compound and complex sentences. This kind of practice will help you to write better sentences in English.